बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे सब्जेक्ट हिस्ट्री, क्लास 7, टॉपिक द मुगल एम्पायर। जैसा कि आपको पता है, हमने परसों भी इस चैप्टर को पढ़ा था और जहाँ पर परसों हमने इसको छोड़ा था वहाँ से आगे आज शुरू करेंगे। तो आज हम बात करेंगे मनसबदार एंड जागीरदार। इन मनसबदार an individual who holds meaning a position or rank. Empire expanded to include different regions. Mughals recruited diverse bodies of people from Turkish nobles. They went on to include Iranians, Italians, Muslims, Afghans, Rajputs, Marathas, and other groups. Some joined Mughal service as Mansabdars. Team refers to an individual who holds a mansab, meaning a position or rank. Grading system used by Mughals to rate rank, salary, and military responsibility. Rank and salary determined by numerical value. Zat, higher the Zat, the more prestigious the noble's position in court, and larger his salary. Mansabdar's military responsibility required him to maintain specific number of savar or cavalrymen. Cavalrymen were revived, registered, and their horse branded before the Mansabdar received the money to pay them as salary. Mansabdar's salaries were revenue assignments called jagirs, somewhat like iktas. However, unlike muktis, most Mansabdar did not administer their jagirs. Mansabdars only had rights to the revenue of their assignment collected for them by their servants, while they themselves served in another part of the country. During Akbar reign, Jagirs were assessed to that their revenues were roughly same as the salary of the Mansabdar. However, things changed by Aurangzeb's rule. During this time. Actual revenue collected was often less than the granted sum. The number of Mansabdars also increased, thus leading to a long wait before they received a Jagir. These and other factors led to shortage in the number of Jagir. Jagirdars tried to get a much revenue as possible while they had a Jagir. Aurangzeb, unable to control these developments during the end of his reign, peasantry suffered. Zabt and Mansabdar. Zabt means a revenue system in which revenue rates for individual crops were given in Mughal Empire. The main sources of income for Mughal rulers taxed on the produce of the peasantry. Some of the tax were paid by the peasants, while the rural elites like the headmen or the local chieftains termed as zamindars by the Mughals. Todar Mahal, Akbar's revenue minister, took a careful survey of the crop yields, price, and areas cultivated for a 10-year period 1517 to 1518. Based on the data, the tax was fixed on each crop in each every provision was divided to into revenue circles with its own schedule of revenue rates for the individual crops. River system called Zabt, prevalent in areas where Mughal administrators on survey the land and keep very careful accounts. Route possible in provinces like Gujarat and Bengal. In some areas, the zamindars exercised more power. Exploration by Mughal administrators could lead them to rebellion at times. Zamindars and peasants of the same caste also allied in rebellion against Mughal authority. Peasant revolt changed the stability of the Mughal Empire from them the end of 17th century.